business niyo?
So good man po, we are located at Zone 2, San Vicente, Bao, Camarines Sur po. Yes, along the highway lang po. Yung tapat namin yung ginagawang bypass road po, beside us yung turn wash. Nasa Glory Wheels po yung ano namin, signature namin, Indonesian fried rice po siya. Partnered po together with Pinoy Food Labs. Yung parang ano po siya, parang silog. So although may silog meals po kami, meron po kami special na nasa Glory partnered with Pinoy Food Labs, logo natural, pork sisig, chicharong manok po.
Nice.
Ito po yung hotdog sandwich. At ito po yung cheese dog sandwich.
Diyan, ma, ano ulam?
Ito yung pork sisig.